Hello everyone, we're back with a really good second recipe. It's going to be like a burrito bowl salad thing. So first things first, we're going to brown our meat. In here I have a pound of burger and brown your meat. While that's browning, we're just going to put a little bit of taco seasoning in there. Don't get it in your eye like I just did. Next, we're going to chop up a head of lettuce. Next, you're going to chop up your tomato. And I also warmed up a bag of cauliflower rice because we like to be healthy here. Once everything is all cut up, time to assemble it. And once it's all put together, I like to top it off with a little bit of lime juice. And we're done.